Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1964 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This particular car powered by a 390 underneath the hood that is paired up with the Ford Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. This will be originally a J paint code car, so Rangoon red, so still a red car like it would have came from Ford back in 64. The wheels, that is a spoked wheel. That is not a wheel cover, FYI, riding on the white wall radials. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front end and the chrome on this car. Bright work around the headlights. Of course, the Thunderbird script on the front of it. As you can see, chrome is in nice shape. All right, if you want to check out the still pictures, see the underside of this car, check out that engine bay I talked about. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Little history on this car. Actually, was a Southern car. A gal owned this car. It was her fun car for the summer. She had it for approximately 20 years before coming to us, where it is now available to purchase. Paint on it shows well. You can see the reflection of the lights coming off the ceiling. Be one you could take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, car shows. Be proud to drive this one. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. You can see the car appears to be nice and straight. Equipment-wise, also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes also underneath the hood of this car, as well as air conditioning. AC needs a little TLC. It seems that all the components are there. But we have not had it blow cold, FYI. Also, power top. Power top is in working order. We're going to go through that here in a little bit. I'm going to run it up so you can see it actually function. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the rear, let you check out the chrome and bright work back here. Notice there is a spare tire in the car also. And you can see the trunk pics in with the still pictures. Show you what's going on back there. White vinyl top. White vinyl interior with bucket seats up front, center console. We also have power windows in this particular car. And again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. A little bit of service work was recently done, and this does have a newer Edelbrock carb on it. Also, the front brake hoses were replaced. Wipers, windshield wipers and horn also in working order on this one. Just take a look at the interior here. Very plush back seat in these. Comfortable armrest, obviously. I flip down so you can see that. Again, white vinyl and also nice shape, as well as the carpeting and floor mats. Your buckets up front, center armrest. Very original looking door cards. You can see pictures of the door tag, the information on it, the VIN number. That'll all be in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And as you can see, oil pressure coming up, fuel gauge coming up, as well as the amp meter. One thing didn't move is temperature. I guess the temperature gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. Of course, this had the speedometer slid over. Reddish orange mark comes out underneath the speed you're actually going. Wiper switch was here. Again, that worked. Radio the same way. Also in working order. Power top switch, and of course power windows. Alright, smooth running, 390 underneath the hood there. Let's slip around to the back. Let's hear what it sounds like back there. No crazy exhaust, cam, anything like that, just a smooth running V8. We're going to slip up to the front, check out that engine bay so you can see it too. So, alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands to get the hood open, and let's check out how it looks underneath the hood. There we go, hood popped. And again, AC, and it appears most of the components are here. Belts hooked up. Like I said, you may need a little TLC. Also appears it does have a newer master cylinder back here. Power brakes, power steering, some nice chrome dress up on the 390. Again, new Edelbrock carb was installed. Let you take a listen there, just be quiet so you can hear how smooth it runs. It's kind of what you don't hear underneath the hood. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and probably shut this down a second, close up the hood, button it up. I'm going to grab somebody to help me out, and I want you to be able to see the top also run up and down. So hold on a second, we'll finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Let's run the top from the lowered position up to fully closed. So we'll have Pat go ahead and get her rolling here for us. Like I said, we'll be able to take a peek at the trunk, see the spare tire back there, but I wanted to show you how this works. I ran it down myself when I was doing the pictures, but I thought when we raise her back up to shoot the pictures of the top and let you guys take a look. So finished off nice and tidy back here. There's the spare tire, of course. And that is also how you would open the trunk if you wanted to put something in the trunk once the top is up. You can have a little more room back there, but of course, when lowering it, not a ton of storage space back there, but everything seems to have run smoothly for us. The white vinyl top, also in nice shape. Of course, you can have the rear plastic window for the capability of folding. And once it's all the way up, you'd latch the two handles up there, but we're going to continue on lowering the trunk lid here. Just like that. It's going to spool and tighten down, and away you'd go. Actually closes pretty quickly when you think about it for having to raise the trunk lid. Now let's take a look at this vinyl top. Again, free of holes, rips, tears, and for white, also in nice shape. It's not really discolored, anything like that. It will snug up nice and tight when you latch the handles up front. So whether you want it to keep you out of the sun or out of the rain, it's going to serve that purpose. There you go, power top in working order, up and down, 1964 Ford Thunderbird. Power steering, power brakes, 390 underneath the hood, factory AC car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.